What's poppin', Jimbos? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my fuzzy face. I'm here at the cribbo. Who the fuck is that?
What's up, dude?
Oh, once again we have cardboard boxes. Is there a dwarf in there? What do we got?
Today we've got a high pressure fuel pump.
Bubble wrap. Where is it from? Dorch? Oh, Dorch. So what's in here then? If this is the full pulp. Oh shit, we got new lines?
Yeah.
Interesting. Whoa. Oh, okay, so this doesn't look hard.
That's the alignment tool.
So, yeah, this looks dope. What is this? Oh, this is complicated. Very cool. All right, let's pull out the full pulp. The full lope. Let's give them a little sneaky peeky.
It does not look anything like the stock.
Interesting. Comes out the bag. Thing's sick. Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Jesus, that thing's dope.
Heavy as fuck.
Whoa. Whoa, this weighs like maybe like, what, 10 pounds?
Yeah.
15 pounds?
Like
All right, well, we're up here. We're gonna go down there, pop the trunk, and see what's up. Alrighty, we were there. We had to jump down real quick. So where's the, oh, this looks
Full pump.
sample.
Right there.
So we gotta unbolt those lines.
We're gonna take off all this.
Take off all this.
Yeah.
How we do that? Like that? Like that? We gotta take this off. Engine cover. This is like more spaghetti than my engine. Oh. And then this comes off, Enzo? I think this just like slides off, no?
This piece?
Yeah, it's just like rubber. You're gonna need one of these. What's that called again? E-socket. So a while ago we actually filmed a spring install and the footage got pooped on. So I'm gonna make a overview video of this thing and then put that in it. Dude, the tires are pretty in there, especially in the rear. Now we got a modded beam or wiener.
It's an E18.
Just 2 bolts, right?
Yeah, but we gotta pop this off.
Oh boy. Oh no, there's 2 more bolts under there. You're gonna have to take this off too.
Yeah. Oh, does that mean I gotta take that off?
Yeah, that's a cap right here. I just don't know how to take the cap off. Can you grip it or something? There you go. To get to the strut bolts, we're gonna have to remove this. You technically, I think you have to remove the other one. At the same time, I don't feel like you have to because the bolts are under here, right? Like you can just pull it out.
I think so.
Dude, this is weird. This is loose.
Don't lose that.
Don't move. I was literally gonna say that.
Only if it goes that way.
Oh, I got it. It's coming. There we go. Get this going. There we go. Boom. Come on, little shoddy. Oh, whoa, it's like 2 parts. Obviously, you just realized these fucking bolt bits suck. Alright. Very nice. Very nice. Alright, these are loose. Come on. There we go. Snake her out. Perfect. And then I think this should just slide out now, right? I don't want to rip it.
Take off this thing.
Okay. There's a bunch of bolts here too. So it's this one.
Oh yeah.
There we go. One more. We gotta take the extendo off. So we just took all the bolts off of this, I believe. Yeah. There we go.
This thing should.
Yeah, really easy. And we can put it on easier too, because if I just pulled it out, it would not have been fun to slide it back in. Now we got a full engine expository. This thing's a pretty big engine. I didn't even say like what car this is. So this is obviously an M240i 17, same year as the Golf. It's got a B58 6-cylinder twin scroll turbo. This thing's pretty quick. He's already got a stage 2 with the big downpipe right there, catless. So we're about to take this off, gonna spray some fuel on us and then replace it, tune it, and then take it for a ride. Swag. Putting some rags around so it doesn't drip fuel, because it's gonna drip fuel. You're like, these are high fuel pressure. Fuck, dude. High pressure fuel pumps. There you go, I did it. If you saw in that video, if I can squirt of gasoline in my face.
Can you hold this back?
Yeah, hold that.
Alright, so start with this one.
Is that what they say?
Yeah.
In the hood?
And then once that's relieved, do that one.
It just sprays fuel down the fucking pipe. Like it's gonna happen.
Oh,
there you go. There's a little spray. Little spray. Not too much.
Now this one's gonna be a lot.
Really?
Yeah. I think so.
No?
No?
I think because you relieve the pressure. Should we light a match right now? Do you think it'd blow up the car? Because if it's open, it probably.
Let's try it. So now we gotta do these two.
It's a tight boy. That bolt won't break it. Let's take a spot. Oh. Just might scratch a little bit. It's fine. We're actually switching to a slightly smaller one because the 17 was sus. Try this one.
This one?
Yeah. Just to relieve some pressure off of that. Yeah, you can pull that like just like that. But you gotta. There you go. It's a tight Jimbo, huh? There you go.
Sweet.
Is it handy nut? Yeah, you probably just get that off. There we go. This one's about to be all the way off. Should just come out now. Just gonna spray a little bit of fuel. Just, cool. There you go, mate. Love that smell. Very nice. First line in here. Do you want to shotgun that? Just down the rest. We got all the lines out. We're just getting this one out. There's a mounting bracket bolt right there, and then I think we're gonna pull a lot of that out because it's getting replaced. So what size is that?
This is a 5.
5 mil, and then there's a push connect on the line behind. It's right there. So pull that out.
Just gotta get that out.
Yeah. Dude, what? This is a 5 mil E bit?
Oh, is it? I took it off with a fucking...
Did you actually?
Yeah.
Dude, it's an E bit.
I was curious. I was like, that doesn't really look like
Why would anyone build a car with this? Hold on, let me show you this. Look at that. That's horrible. Okay, that is out.
You have to take off this little gray clip.
Yeah.
And then push this in that way and then pull it off, and it takes a good amount of
force. What's next, Enzo? The fuel pump. So we're gonna start with this connector, just like that. And then just the bolts should be it. Make sure there's no...
Make sure everything's dapped up.
So then it's just 2 Torx bits and then it's out.
Yeah, we're gonna take this off. Break it.
Damn, they were tight.
Oh no.
Oh my God, you just got saved. That was the bit, I thought it was the bolt.
And now we have
I'm just gonna keep my hand right there. Even if you don't need 2 hands, you're gonna need 2 hands, boys.
Now keep going back and forth until it's all the way out.
You see that like rising a little bit?
Yeah.
The more he...
So that's why you don't want to go
So interesting.
all the way on one side and not the other.
How the shit?
Oh no.
Oh my God.
Did it
My
save
hand
you
from that.
again? Yeah.
Keep my hand down there. Still coming?
Yeah.
Jeez. Yeah, these bolts are not even loose. Okay. Oh!
We're good.
I got it. Hello. Are they hand loose though?
Yeah.
But, all right, so it's basically all out now.
And then when you pull it out, you want to make sure to be really
Careful. Yeah, make sure you don't get the bolts. Yeah, you got it, brother.
okay.
You're gonna have to. Very nice.
If you want to store this somewhere, make sure to keep that clean.
Sheesh. That's the cam roller. In my car, we had to swap that. In this car, you literally just stick the fuel pump on, which is pretty nice. This is 3D printed, so first step is to, so this isn't a spacer, it's just a what?
No, that's the alignment tool.
Okay.
And this is the spacer.
Wait, they don't share the bolts on the fuel pump? Oh, whoa, look at that. Okay, so,
Yeah, so
this is the bolts that bolt in?
These are the bolts that hold the fuel pump in. And these are the bolts that put the spacer in. Alignment tool in.
That's so sick, bro.
And also you want to make sure that this gasket's good, which I'm pretty sure it's good.
There you go. Okay, what size is it?
Oh, it might be the one that dropped.
Boop. So is there a torque or it's just tight?
Oh, there is a
Torqued until it's done. What the fuck? Are you serious? Did you do this?
Yeah.
That's so funny. So what, you snapped the bolt? Oh, you snapped the bolt, I see it.
In there.
That's so beast. I mean, it works, you've got no codes, right?
No, no codes.
You got the bolts tight on that. I'm gonna pull out this, and that's where the fuel pump goes. Damn, we putting the blicky in?
There's gonna be a little gap right there, and you just have to keep tightening it on each side, one by one, till that gap seals.
So we're just gonna do this for a little bit. She all tight?
It's in there pretty good, and see there's no more gap
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Bro, it looks like a fucking cannon, does it not? It looks like it's about to shoot bullets out of here. All right, so we're gonna set up the lines. This is the new line. It's gonna plop right there, and right there. Gonna have to pull this little plastic out. All right. Get this off. Does it twist off? Oh, that's so satisfying, bro. This should be pretty easy then. Should just go like a this.
Not this one.
You don't do this one first?
Not yet.
Okay, watch this, guys. Ready? Oh my God. You just pulled out the top rubber, the cannon? Oh, nice. You replaced the rubber line? So this is way easier than the...
Yeah, all you do is clip it on.
Make sure you hear the click. Yep, I heard it, right?
Oh, it's not bolted down. That's why it's moving all around down here. Comes with even like a bracket. Super nice.
Dorch Engineering bracket.
There you go. This should just go. There we go. So that's just gonna plug in like that once we're ready. So for the mounting bracket, you actually don't reuse the one you used. You're gonna want to use
This guy.
that random hole up there.
Yeah.
Very nice. So that's it, bro. What's left now? Oh, this line. Duh. Forgot about that line. So now that baby.
This bad boy.
Here. One more time. Look at that, boys. Here. This doesn't matter. You can, here, let me just unclip this. And we can deal with that later.
There we go.
There we go, nice. Back in, and just tighten this. You got all of them on?
Yeah.
Okay, now we just need to tighten it.
Got the hard lines on. This is the other line that we got on. Just clips on over there. Last thing to do is to connect this with the extension that they give you. I think that's it.
Nice.
That's all she wrote for the Dorch Engineering Stage 2 Plus fuel pump. Now, let's put everything back together.
We can't start until we tune it.
No, I don't think so.
Alright, we'll catch you when we're tuning it. Alrighty, you guys know what time it is. Loading up the BM3. We're about to hack into this person's vehicle and start it and steal it.
We are putting a Stage 2 Plus tune on it. We couldn't run that before because we didn't have the high pressure fuel pump, but now that we got it, we can go ahead and install it.
Okay, so we need to buy a tune.
Yeah, go to the Stage 2
plus 91. If using Dorch fuel pump, Mac configuration to the... Sounds good.
So we got the tune. Now we're about to flash it. We just configured all the settings.
It says that one's downloaded.
Yeah. It just said turn your ignition off, and then after 5 seconds, turn it back on. We have it downloaded, we have it flashed, we're ready to get rolling.
Oh yeah. Got to get some fuel pumping.
So we're probably gonna let it run for a little bit.
And then take it on a little test drive and get some data logs. So we let this puppy sit for a little bit. Now we're gonna go take it on its first test drive. Really?
Yeah, wait. I lost traction.
Yeah, you did!
Holy
Dude, that is so much faster.
I don't think I've lost traction like that before.
Do like a second gear 40. I'm not gonna be able to hold this still.
Good?
Yep.
I could not hold the camera still. What's poppin', Jimbos? We are just about done here with this video. Took a little while to get our friend here over and to figure out how to download the new tune, but we got it and it's all installed and we're good to go, baby. Should be sitting around 4:30 hopefully, but we're gonna get it dynoed and we'll let you know. All right.
Now punch the camera.